In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Apollo.io account. If you're ready, let's jump right in and walk through this process together. It's really straightforward, and we'll get you through it in no time. To start, open up your web browser. This can be any browser you prefer: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, you name it. If you tend to have multiple tabs open, it might be helpful to close unnecessary ones so you can focus on deactivating your Apollo.io account. Once your browser is open, you'll need to search for Apollo.io. You can do this by typing Apollo.io directly into the search bar or entering the website URL if you know it. Once you're there, go ahead and look for the login page. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account for the next steps. You can log in using your email address, or if your organization uses single sign-on, SSO, you may use that method as well. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Admin Settings. Click on it to expand your options. From there, you'll want to navigate to Plan Overview. This is where you'll find information about your current subscription layout. In the Plan Overview section, you should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on it to start the deactivation process. This is a crucial step if you're looking to end your subscription with Apollo.io. Now, it's important to note that if you're using Apollo.io's free plan, you might not see the option to cancel your subscription. This is because subscription cancellations typically apply to paid plans. If this is the case, don't worry. You still have a means of deactivation. Simply reach out to their support team, and they'll be able to assist you further. You can do this by sending an email to their privacy team. Be sure to include your account details and any other relevant information to speed up the process. Remember, once you've canceled or deactivated your account, you might not be able to recover any saved data, so be sure you're certain about this decision before proceeding. If you need any specific data, it's a good idea to back it up before following these steps. And there you have it. That's how you deactivate your Apollo.io account, step by step. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.